Here we go again, performing a roof assessment for a new client. Super happy, I love being on new roofs. Typical issues, someone went crazy with the caulking gun, but left the cone wide open. 3-inch diameter cone, water's going in there, destroying the insulation. Again, the key with sealing openings with caulking is to clean the area well and remove all the old goop. Just too much sealant all over the place. Another key waterproofing component to look at are pitch pans. Many times the sealant is dried out. And don't forget, don't just slap new mastic on top. You gotta clean out the old stuff and use good quality sealant designed for your type of roof. Now let's check out the drains. Again, with the drains, check for obvious debris around the strainer. A lot of vegetation, garbage, gotta be all cleaned out. Here, this is a perfect example of no coordination and lack of project management. After the mechanical contractor is done with running pipes and wires through the new cone, it needs to be properly sealed and waterproofed by the roofers. This step is often missed due to lack of communication between the parties involved, but it never gets missed when we are involved, SMC Group, when we are running the project. We don't miss the little things. Our job is to reduce your workload, and we help to do that by taking care of your roof. Even when it comes to the little things, as remembering to come back and waterproof a tall cone after a new unit has been installed. We're here to help. Give us a chance.